Dr. Hassan Endan was born in Batu Pahat, Johor, Malaysia. His education was at the University of Malaya, Queen's University Belfast and University Swansea at the United Kingdom. He was a lecturer at the University of Malaya. Then he contributed to several international and multinational companies. These are Siemens, Motorola, SGS Thomson, Aztec Electronics, Nippon Denso, Sapporo, University United and consultant to several companies. He lectured on motivation and religion. He is a renowned scientist which have made several breakthrough on scientific research. 1/Origin of mankind proven we are descendant of Adam and Eve about 6,000 years ago, and not evolved from chimpanzee. 2/Origin of universe with placement of heaven and hell, accepted by many people. 3/laser engine, 4/laser diode street light, 5/food paste packing without chemical preservatives, and many food machineries. His laser engine using ablation that can propel more than 50 kg mass to orbit in outer space is a breakthrough in space technology. Besides that, he designed automatic food machine, donut machine, and vending machines. His vending machine uses spices and paste, which is manufactured with no chemical preservation. The software uses Android. Aerial photography is his favorite hobby. Due to high request, he set up a subsidiary company on aerial photography to monitor building development progress. He is a Sifu on several MOSTI Innovations grant, and received recognition on the design. He can be contacted at WhatsApp, which is a free Wi-Fi SMS at handphone number 016-979-0100. His email address is hassanendan@mail.com and his Google site is https://sites. google.com/site/Hassan Endan. At YouTube just type Hassan Endan. Kindly contact us if you feel like sharing many ideas. Regards from Dr. Hassan Endan.